Looking for Zumba women's workout sneakers for this Christmas? Luckily, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, look like a superstar in the Zumba Energy Boom. Featuring additional padding throughout for max comfort, plus Z-slide technology to glide on any surface, these kicks are funky fresh by Zumba. Number 2, Zumba Athletic Footwear Women's Energy Boom High Top Dance Workout Sneakers with Enhanced Comfort Support. Lavender 10, another great product by Zumba. Number 3, featuring additional padding throughout for max comfort. Z-slide technology to glide on any surface, so no more need for dance socks. High rebound poo removable insoles, easily replaceable with various insoles types. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.